Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save items on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select the location of your choice, and then you should click on the save button. You should edit your waypoint. As you can see, you can select its name or title, and next to it you can see the exact date and time as well. Down below you can see the coordinates. You can choose folder, edit notes, and set it to private or public. After all this information, tap on the save button, and now this point has been saved. So if you click on the saved button down below, which is the fourth option, you will be able to see all of your saved items, such as pictures, saved location, waypoints, and track as well. So tap on any of these and then you will be able to edit it by tapping on the edit button here. You can add pictures to it by tapping on the add photo, share it, and you can also choose a parent folder and select who has access to it, such as you can select it to public and private as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.